Hello everyone, I hope you guys are well and having a wonderful day so far. So correct me if I'm wrong, I feel like there are two types of people. Old school people like my mother who pull out the ironing board at least once a week, usually on the weekend, and iron out all the clothes that need ironing. And then you have people like me. I hate ironing, and if there's something that is wrinkled, I just don't wear it and I choose something else. But sometimes though, when I really have to wear something that has to be ironed, there's no way I am dragging out this bulky, noisy ironing board. So I usually reach for my handy dandy steamer, and if you're like me, you need one of these. This is the dream come true. It is actually the third steamer I have owned, and by far it is the best. I had the previous model, but when I saw this newer model at Costco, I had to have it, and this is actually better than the last model because this one is shaped as an iron, so you can really use it as a steamer or as an iron. It is so convenient, and I am so happy today to share my review with you all and show you guys how to use it. So let's jump straight into it. So this is the Conair Turbo Extreme Steam. It has this extra large aluminum sole blade. It is shaped like an iron, doubles as an iron, and you can use it with or without steam. I'm going to show you guys how to do this in just a minute. On the cord here, you have this strap to keep the cord nicely wrapped when it's not been used. And in the front here, we have the water reservoir. To use it, always start by filling it up with distilled water as recommended to avoid mineral build-up within the device itself. Now I'm going to close it and place it back into the machine. Now on the bottom here you have the on-off button. To turn the machine on, you have to press it once. Now the light will illuminate and begin blinking, and it actually heats up crazy fast, like it's ready in about 10 seconds, and you know it's ready when the light stops blinking. Now this steamer has 4 steam settings, and to switch between them you have to press this mode button. So you have low, which is recommended for delicate fabrics, and then you have medium, high, and turbo, which is recommended for thick fabrics and heavy wrinkled items. And once you're ready for steaming, just press the steam button once. Just always make sure you're pointing the steamer away from you. Next, we're going to talk about features. So this steamer has a dry iron setting. If you want to try it, don't press the steam button, and the sole blade will get hot to use as an iron. So now you just have to point your metal blade downward like this, and you have a handy iron. If you don't have an ironing board like this, you can use your kitchen island, bed, table, anything like that. The second feature the steamer has is a smart touch sensor, where the steam will not emit until you pick the steamer up from a flat surface. Now to activate this feature, you have to press and hold the mode button for a couple of seconds. When the lights are flashing like this mode has been activated. So now when you're steaming and you place your steamer down on flat surface, the steam will stop. And to restart the steam, you just have to pick it up again. And I really like this feature because I feel it really helps not to waste steam when you're not using the steamer. And last but not least, if you want a powerful burst of steam, you just have to press the stop button once. This might be helpful when you are steaming extremely dense or wrinkly fabrics. Moving on to the attachments. So first we have the 2-in-1 attachment. So this one has on one side the silicone band, which is used to pull fabric taut, and on the other side you have this bristle brush. Now this makes sure the steam penetrates to the fibers. They actually recommend in the manual to prepare your fabrics for steaming to brush it first with this bristle brush, because this will loosen up the fibers and allow better steam penetration. And only one function can be used at a time. And next we have the delicate bonnet. This protects delicate and fine fabrics. And lastly we have the crease attachment. Now this one creates a crease in pants, shirts, blouses, and anything you want. And all the attachments, they just snap on the head like this, and to remove it you just pull away from the machine. Now, it is easier to steam a garment when it's hanging, so you can hang your garment on a hanger and place it on a shower rod, the back of a chair, a doorknob, anything of that nature, because we don't really need to press hard or push the fabric against anything, because the steam will be good enough to remove all wrinkles on its own as you slide it down your garment. And you can steam from the inside or the outside of your fabric, and I recommend you start with the steam setting on low, and then you can increase the setting as needed. Just pass it over the fabric of your garment, and it may take few passes to completely remove all the wrinkles. Just keep your steamer in motion unless you have tough wrinkles. Now in that case, you can position the steamer directly on the fabric for a few seconds, apply a bit of pressure, and that's how you remove stubborn wrinkles. Just be careful if you are dealing with delicate garments. If your garment is delicate, be sure to keep your steamer at a distance or use the delicate fabric attachment. I just love how the steamer does a great job with very little effort. So now I'm just going to turn it to the back, and we're going to try some attachments. Now I want to switch to my crease attachment. So now I'm just going to put it in position and slowly feed the fabric to my steamer. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the delicate fabric attachment. So just slip it on, and I still have it on low. Now this attachment is really handy for like anything that is delicate, like silk or thin fabric. You can use it on dresses, suit, blouses. Now I do want to mention, if you want to sanitize a garment or anything really to kill bacteria, here's how you do it. So you have to hold your steamer sole blade at a minimum of ½ inch distance from the material that you want to be treated, and just turn it on and hold it in this position for 2 minutes, and then you can move it to the next area to be treated and just repeat. What I enjoy most about the steamer is that I don't need an ironing board. In fact, I can't remember the last time I used mine before this video, because I really enjoy leaving the items that I need to steam hanging on the hanger and just go work on them, and the steamer heats up quickly, quick enough that it hasn't been too much of an added step in my day to pass it over a piece of clothing before I get dressed. And I really appreciate that I don't need to hold a button down for the steam to come out, because that will be very tiring. And I really like the white face because it covers a large area all at once so effectively. And all the attachments are great because they help with everything from resin bleeds to protecting delicate fabrics. I haven't yet had many opportunities where I needed an iron to fix what a steamer couldn't do, but knowing that I have this option right now makes me feel prepared for anything, any fabric or any event, and that's really nice. So overall, I really think this is a great steamer. It's very fun. It makes me wear things I would probably avoid it before just because I didn't want to iron them. So if you are planning on traveling with it, just keep in mind it will take some room in your suitcase or your carry-on, but it will be a great item to travel with if you're not traveling by air. And that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please thumbs it up, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!